Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add a product photo in Inventora. We have been waiting for this feature to be live and now it is ready for you to try it. So, on the left sidebar, go to Products, click on the product that you want to add a photo for, click on Edit Details, scroll down, and you will see the option of adding a photo. So, click on Choose Photo. Select the photo of the product, click Upload. You will also have the chance to remove the photo just by clicking Remove, click Save. You will notice that you will have a small version of the photo in the product list. And also, if you click the image on the product detail screen, you can view the image larger by doing that. Another thing that you should know is that all product photos are synced automatically from all e-commerce platforms, except Square. And for product bundles, you will have the photos of all the products that are in it. These are the steps for adding a product photo in Inventora.